Selecting visible cells. While working with the hiding feature, usually we want to hide cells on the screen. Then we want to be able to copy and paste without getting the details in the background. Earlier to 2010, this was problematic to do. In 2010, when you copy items from a screen where cells are hidden, it automatically only copies what's visible. In the past versions, when we copied items on the screen, it would give us the hidden and the unhidden. For now, I am going to hide some of my cells and copy. I'm going to simply do Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl C to copy, and I'll simply go to Sheet 1. On Sheet 1, I'm going to Ctrl V to paste, and I've only received the cells that were showing on the screen. If you're using 2010 and you're opening up a file from 2003 in compatibility mode, you'll need to understand this technique. Working in compatibility mode with somebody in 2003 will also see all of the cells, so you can simply use a tool called Select Visible Cells. Now I have gone to my Quick Access toolbar and added that actual tool itself. To do so, I went to the pull down and More Commands. In More Commands, I selected to All Commands. In All Commands, by the S for Select Visible Cells, I simply added it to the Quick Access toolbar. Now normally when I select cells, I have just a blue background that tells me they're hidden cells. This is now just copying what I get on the screen. This will give you precisely the same results as you would get in 2010 with just a copy and paste. Again remember, 2010 it automatically selects only visible cells. All prior versions, you must utilize the Select Visible Cells button. If you're working in 2010 and you do this copy and you realize that everything else is coming up, you may be in a compatibility mode. This is one of those troubleshooting techniques that are good to remember.